How to send bulk WhatsApp messages. It's one of the easiest ways to send the same message to multiple contacts while keeping each conversation private. First, open WhatsApp on your Android. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner and tap Broadcast List. If you don't see this option, make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. Tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. Now choose the contacts you want to include in your broadcast list. You can add up to 256 contacts to a single broadcast. Keep in mind that only people who have your phone number saved in their contacts will receive your broadcast message. After selecting your contacts, tap the check mark to create the broadcast list. Next, type your message in the chat box and tap the send button. WhatsApp will deliver the same message individually to every contact in the broadcast, so it looks like a normal personal chat instead of a group message. You can always open the broadcast chat again to send more messages to the same list whenever you need. And that's how you can send bulk messages on WhatsApp using a broadcast list. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick WhatsApp tips and tutorials.